Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fold partially your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 for flex mode. If you take your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and fold it just partially between 75 and 115 degrees, then you will be in a flex mode. And on the home screen, of course, it does nothing at all. But if you go to, for example, the browser or any other app, honestly, then you'll have this little button down here. Once you click on it, you'll have a touchpad, which is quite weird, honestly, let's say that. But it is there, of course, and you can use it. You can use this thing to scroll. Instead, you can also use this feature to screenshot, which is also quite weird, but of course, may be useful. Okay, let's get rid of that screenshot. Now I want that button brings up the notification center, and these three dots will also let you do some other things here. There's a toolbar. Quick settings, screen recorder, display brightness or volume. You can also go to the settings to adjust the flex mode panel settings. You can see it has opened in the split screen view. Now I'm gonna see what do we got in there. So that mode lets you select an auto show panel when folded. Like for example, let's select something that's important to me, like for example the Google. Okay, you can change the scroll wheel position, learn more about the touchpad gestures. Okay, I don't care about that now. Let's go to like any app, then fold the phone partially, open that flex mode, and go to that option, which lets you open an app in in split screen basically. So now you have one app right here, one app right here. That's pretty useful as well. And now let's see, because there should be that option that I've enabled that should automatically open an app when I'm in that flex mode. Okay, so you can see when I'm in Google right now, if I flex the phone, it automatically opens the touchpad. I don't really find the touchpad that useful, but maybe you will. So feel free to check it out on your own, see if it works well for you. Now let's go to another thing in flex mode, which also lets you take photos or selfies or videos, whatever, with the camera app. Let's open the camera app. Now, once I fold the screen a little bit, now you can see that the camera is here, like what's in the camera is displayed on the top half, so you can always see it. And on the bottom, you have some cool controls, like everything, honestly. Now, that's extremely useful for some stable shots, like videos, for example. If you go to video, if you start recording a video, then it is stable, exactly stable, like on a tripod, but you don't need a tripod for it. Now, also, there is this little button right here that lets you open the cover screen preview. This means that the cover screen shows the preview of what's shown here, so both screens can see it. That's also extremely useful. Then there is this button, which just lets you swap spaces, the preview and the tools. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.